A concave lens always form an image which is. The answer is 2. Virtual and erect. Which of the following is one of the constituents of tear gas? The answer is 4. Chloropicrin. An atomic clock is based on the transitions of. The answer is 3. Cesium. Which of the following is called the powerhouse of the cell? The answer is 1. Mitochondria. What is the average lifespan of the white blood cells WBC? The answer is 4. 13 to 20 days. White blood cells is also known as. The answer is 2. Leukocytes. What is the chemical name of vinegar? The answer is 3. Acetic acid, systematically named ethanoic acid. What is the unit used to measure the intensity of sound? The answer is 1. Decibel, dB. Hertz measure the frequency or pitch of a sound wave. The isotope used for the production of atomic energy is known as. The answer is 3. U-235. U stand for uranium. Which material is used in the manufacture of lead pencil? The answer is 2. Graphite. Ringworm is caused by which of the following types of infection? The answer is 1. Fungal infection. Pituitary gland is located in which part of the human body? The answer is 4. Base of the brain, right below the hypothalamus. Saliva helps in the digestion of which of the following? The answer is 2. Starch. Saliva contains an enzyme called ptyalin or salivary amylase which breaks down starch. The process of digestion started in which part of the body? The answer is 4. Mouth. Which noble gas is used in the treatment of cancer? The answer is 1. Radon. If a magnet has a third pole, then the third pole will be called? The answer is 3. Consequent pole. An alloy of amalgam is a mixture of. The answer is 2. Mercury with one or more metals. Traditional soldar is an alloy made from which two metals? The answer is 1. Tin and lead. The speed of light will be minimum while passing through which of the following? The answer is 4. Glass. Researchers at which university discovered insulin in the year 1921? The answer is 3. Toronto University. They are George G. Banting, Charles Best and John MacLeod along with biochemist James Collip. Which vitamin is found in non-vegetarian food, but not in fruits and vegetables? The answer is 1. Vitamin B12, cobalamin. When measuring blood pressure, the upper or top number is known as. The answer is 3. Systolic pressure. The lower number is known as diastolic pressure. At which temperature will both the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales read the same value? The answer is 2. -40 degrees. Economy section. When was the Goods and Services Tax, commonly known as GST, introduced in India? The answer is 4. 1st July 2017. GST was introduced under which Constitutional Amendment Act? The answer is 2. 101 Amendment Act 2016. Which of the following is an indirect tax? The answer is 4. GST. Which of the following is the oldest stock exchange in India? The answer is 3. Bombay Stock Exchange. It was founded in July 1875. What was the old name of the Bombay Stock Exchange? The answer is 1. Native Share and Stock Brokers Association. Which institution regulates the stock market and mutual funds in India? The answer is 3. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. The ratio between the nominal and the real GDP is known as. The answer is 2. GDP deflator. What was the first microfinance institution established in India in 1974? The answer is 1. Seva Bank. The term Seva stand for. The answer is 3. Self-Employed Women's Association. What was the largest denomination currency note ever printed by the RBI? The answer is 4. 10,000 rupee note. It was printed in 1938. Which of the following is not among the instrument of India's fiscal policy? The answer is 1. Open market operations. There are three major fiscal policy: taxation, public borrowing, and public expenditure. Which of the following dealt with the formulation of India's fiscal policy? The answer is 3. Finance Ministry. Regional Rural Banks of India are sponsored by? The answer is 2. Major Commercial Bank or PSU. Whose signature appears on India's 1 rupee note? The answer is 1. Finance Secretary. Which of the following is the primary regulator of the credit rating agencies in India? The answer is 4. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Which of the following committee was explicitly associated with the banking sector reforms in India? The answer is 2. Second Narasimham Committee, set up in 1998. An economic condition in which growth is slow and price is going up is known as? The answer is 3. Stagflation. When was the Reserve Bank of India established? The answer is 1. 1935, specifically on 1st April. The RBI was set up based on the recommendation of which commission? The answer is 4. Hilton-Young Commission, officially known as the Royal Commission on Indian Currency and Finance, set up in 1926. Which body replaced the 65-year-old Planning Commission of India in January 2015? The answer is 3. Niti Aayog, on 1st January. When did India adopt the decimal coinage system where 1 rupee equals 100 paise? The answer is 2. 1st April 1957. Before the new system, 1 rupee was equal to what? The answer is 3. 16 annas or 64 pies. When was the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, nationalized? The answer is 4. January 1949. Geography section. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? The answer is 2. 8 states. They are Mizoram, Tripura, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Which is the only river in India that passes through the Tropic of Cancer twice? The answer is 1. Mahi River. The famous Chilika Lake, India's largest brackish water lagoon, is found in which Indian state? The answer is 4. Odisha. Where do the Alaknanda and the Bhagirathi rivers meet to form the river Ganga? The answer is 3. Devprayag. Which type of natural vegetation occupies the largest geographical area of India? The answer is 1. Tropical deciduous forest. What is the largest plateau in India? The answer is 3. Deccan Plateau. Regar soil, also known as the black soil, is most suitable for the cultivation of which major crop? The answer is 1. Cotton. What is the most famous and largest desert in India? The answer is 3. Thar Desert. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is located in which state? The answer is 2. Rajasthan. What is the longest river of the Indian peninsula? The answer is 4. Godavari, also known as Dakshin Ganga. What is the southernmost point of the whole Indian territory? The answer is 2. Indira Point, located in the Great Nicobar Island. What is the southernmost tip of the Indian peninsula or mainland? The answer is 3. Kanyakumari. Which soil is used for the cultivation of saffron in Jammu and Kashmir? The answer is 1. Karevash soil. Which Indian state is surrounded by Bangladesh on all three sides? The answer is 3. Tripura. Which Indian state is the largest producer of bauxite? The answer is 1. Odisha. Bauxite is the most common aluminium ore. What is the first biosphere reserve established in India? The answer is 4. Nilgiri in 1986, Nanda Devi in 1988, Nokrek in 1988, Gulf of Mannar in 1989. The first Biosphere Reserve of India included in the UNESCO Man and the Biosphere (MAB) program network is? The answer is 2. Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It was included in 2000, Gulf of Mannar 2001, Sundarbans 2001, Nanda Devi 2004. What is the largest biosphere reserve in India as of August 2026? The answer is 3. Great Run of Kutch, Gujarat, Panna in Madhya Pradesh is the newest 2011, and Nokrek in Meghalaya is the smallest. There are 797 biosphere reserve recognized by the UNESCO. There are 18 notified biosphere reserve in India and 13 of them are recognized by the UNESCO. Which narrow strait naturally separates the continent of Asia from the North America? The answer is 1. Bering Strait. It spans about 85 km at its narrowest point between Russia and Alaska of the United States. The Atacama Desert, known as the driest non-polar desert, is located in which country? The answer is 3. Chile, in the continent of South America. Which famous river flows through the city of Paris? The answer is 2. Sand River. What is the world's largest coral reef system? The answer is 4. The Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is located off the coast of which country? The answer is 3. Australia. It is located in the Coral Sea, off the northeastern coast of Queensland. What is the longest river in the world? The answer is 1. Nile River. The Nile River is a major north-flowing river in northeastern Africa which empties into the Mediterranean Sea. Which river in England flows through the city of London? The answer is 2. Thames River. Which mountains form a natural boundary between the continent of Europe and Asia? The answer is, please write down in the comment. Thank you.